the evaluating parameters or the judging parameters of group discussion. Have you ever thought how recruiters evaluate you in a group discussion? No? Let's explore. Hello, hi, good evening. This is Manisha, your communication coach. Today in this video, we are going to learn what happens in a group discussion and last but not the least, the evaluating parameters or the judging parameters of group discussion one by one. What happens in a group discussion? Wondering, right? Let's come. You still sit in a room with 6 to 15 participants and you will be judged by a moderator or by a panelist. You will be given a topic by the panelist and you need to prepare the topic for 5 to 10 minutes to participate in the group discussion. You will be given a time slot 15 to 30 minutes to discuss the topic in the group discussion. To stop you from speaking beyond your individual time limit, your GD panelist might interfere. Your panelist might signal the group to the end of the round. Heading towards the hot cake of the discussion, that is the judging parameters of group discussion. Let us discuss in detail one by one. You will be evaluated or you will be judged on the basis of content, communication, your body language, your leadership skills. On the basis of content, you will be getting the highest mark of the group discussion, that is the king of the group discussion. Number 2 is communication. Communication refers to your approach, your putting your opinion forward and how you are approaching and your decision making capability. All these things will be evaluated in communication part. Body language, your negative and positive body language will be evaluated. If your body language goes well, you will be fetching good marks, and if your body language goes negative, then you will be getting negative marking in group discussion. So stay alert for negative body language. Last but not the least, your leadership skills. So what do you mean by leadership skills? Means you need to showcase your presence. You need to be active in the group discussion throughout and you will be motivating your other participant to participate more and more in the group discussion, and you are going to allow others to speak and contribute their opinion to make the group discussion a successful and effective one. On the basis of that, you will be getting extra bonus mark in a group discussion. So on the basis of these 5 parameters, you will be evaluated, guys. So when you are in the group discussion, stay focused in these particular areas so that you will be getting good marks, or for sure you will get selected in a group discussion, or for sure you will be leading the show. With these 3 videos, we have come to the end of the topic group discussion, and I hope these videos will definitely enable you to participate in a group discussion effectively to get placed or to get selected. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the more videos like this. Signing off.